Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗟𝗧𝗘, and in the previous video we have seen like how we can define variable block using Terraform. Okay, and in this video we are going to see how we can define output block using Terraform. Okay, so first discuss about why we need output block. Okay, so suppose if you are creating one EC2 instance, okay, and you don't have AWS console access, but you want to get the public IP and the private IP of that EC2 instance, whatever EC2 instance you are creating, then how you can do it? You can do it using output block. Okay, so let's go back to the VS Code, and in the variable block only I am going to create or you can create separate output block file. Okay, output.tf. okay, there here what we have to write? First we have to write output. Okay, the name, whatever name we have to write private IP I want to get. Okay, private IP. Okay, and the value what we want. Okay, AWS EC2 instance, whatever like name, whatever name we have given in the resource type. Okay, so we have defined the name, right? AWS EC2 instance. Okay, here AWS EC2 instance type. So what we are getting here, let me, okay, so we have to give the name AWS instance dot my instance. Okay, so we have to just copy this. Okay, and we have to use in output file. Okay, but if you are using the Terraform plugin, then it will be easy for you. Dot private, sorry, here you can get the exact what syntax, whatever you need to write. Okay, using the plugin. So I want to get the private IP. Okay, so that's it. Like if you want to define as like description you want, then you can give my EC2 private IP. Sorry. Okay, then we have to save it. Okay, and now let's go back to the here I have created. Let me destroy it first. Terraform destroy. Okay, to destroy all the services, whatever resources I have created in the previous video. So I am destroying that. Okay, so in meanwhile let me show you how we can get help from the Terraform documentation. Okay, AWS like provider, sorry, Terraform AWS output. Okay, click on it. So we'll get here. Okay, so output we have to write. Okay, and we have to write the value. Okay, that's it. Apart from it we don't have to write anything. Okay, but if you want to describe something more, then you can. Okay, using this one. Suppose if you want to like search for any use cases, then you have to write AWS, or you can write Terraform variable. Okay, Terraform AWS variable. Okay, and you just have to click on it and you can see all the different type of use cases of the variable, right? You can see the a lot of use cases and you can get help from this. Okay, so here you can see type string, variable name, EC2 instance type, description, and the default. Okay, so this one example is defining the variable of EC2 instance name. Okay, you can do it according to your requirement. Okay, so it's already got created. Now I want to get the private IP. So sorry, yeah, it's getting deleted first because I have run Terraform destroy. Then after that only it will get created. I will run again Terraform init, then Terraform plan, then Terraform apply, then Terraform destroy. Okay, to destroy all the services because I am using AWS free tier account. So here you can see like different use cases for the variable block. Okay, so you can get help from this document. So this one is the very helpful. So you can see the variable block, destroy block, output block, so remote state, build, install. You can get like good help from this documentation. I have learned from here only. Okay, so our EC2 instance got deleted, which I have created in the previous video. Okay, so now let's go back to the Terraform again and run Terraform init to initialize the backend. Okay, so now run Terraform plan. So what we are going to see, so we can see here plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy, but changes to outputs means we are going to get private IP after creating this EC2 instance using output block. So this one is the use case of output block. So let me run Terraform apply. Sorry. Okay, so we are going to get the private IP of our EC2 instance here only. So we don't have to go to AWS console and we don't have to look for private IP. Only having like CLI access, we can do everything. Okay, so this one is the main use case of output block. So our instance is getting created. Let's wait for some more time. Okay, and always try to get help from the Terraform documentation. It's always good practice, and you can explore. Just type Terraform, then whatever cloud provider you are using like AWS, then Terraform AWS, and the use case, whatever use case you require. So our EC2 instance got successfully created and we already got the private IP of that EC2 instance. So let's match this IP with our EC2 instance that got created by the Terraform script. Okay, so 172.31.92.41. okay, so go back to the AWS console, go here, and the private IP, right, 172.31.92.41. so it's same, right? So this is how we can define output block using Terraform script. So I hope you found this video informative. Please keep